What's up, everybody? Today is February 1st, and this is your friendly reminder to change your furnace filters. Now, this should be a fairly simple task. You just gotta pull these two covers off. This one's a little more difficult. Take the old filter out. Adjust it like so. And then we put the new filter in. And very important to make sure you put it in the right way. It is supposed to go with the airflow, so there should always be arrows on your filter pointing to which way you should put it in according to the airflow. And in this case, the airflow comes down through here, out here, and then up. So we are going to put it with the airflow going this way. And then we just secure the filter back in. Make sure it's covering the hole completely. And that'll do it. Put our plates back on. So, and that's it. Don't forget to change your air filter. Thanks for stopping by.